Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. Also, the intro for my next 3 videos is going to be my face like this, but my hair is going to be different to make a little look a little different. But this video for this makeup look will be up either next week or the week after. But today's video, I'm just going to do a little video, just a couple of minutes long, showing you the makeup that I do. Because I don't post a lot of it here on YouTube, I only post it on my Instagram. So please check it out and check out my TikToks. I'm trying to get to 10k on TikTok, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below of my looks. I'm super proud of them. My next makeup or my next YouTube video is about two tans, which one do I prefer. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for clicking into this video. I really appreciate you. Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below some videos if you've been following me and what you want to see more of. I've done one video a week just to give myself a break and not put so much pressure on myself. But if there's more videos you'd like to see, please let me know, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
What we do here is go back.